Took the shroud off, loosened the injectors, loosened the coil packs. Now I'm gonna go to the computer. It's this one, which is black. It's got a green and a yellow in the front. And this one is an orange. It's got a red and blue on the back right, and then a blue and something. This other one's got like a purple and red with a blue stripe on the outside. And that last one's got yellow and blue with like a burgundy on the outside. Shut up! Black, orange, white, and then green. It's like a bad Italian flag. One part. This one little bolt there is loose. My one socket is too short to go on. The other one's too long because it hits that hose. And now it's loose. Look at this. You gotta get it on. Move it. Take it off. Oh my god. Put it on. Move it. Take it off. Put it on. Move it. Fun shit. The bent wrench with the socket adapter. Do this shit. Fun fucking times. Yes, but that's the rockers. Let's see. Those are your coil. These are where your plugs go. Down in here. And then you got your rocker. The seal was leaking there in the front lower corner. You can see this is where it was leaking down there. Those are your lifters, your cams. All that good shit. This is your cover. See it? That's the cover. And I just pulled this off. Yeah, I guess it was leaking. Oh, here, let me do this so you can see it. Put the light. So, the seal is sticking out on most parts. Oh, you fucking faggot light. You can see like the seal is raised over here, but it's flat there. That's why it was leaking oil. See, they're just too compressed or flattened out all the time. So the other side is probably just as shitty. But I'm gonna leave the cover on for tonight. See if I can get that other side off tomorrow. And I'll change that seal up. I'll make sure that the new seal fits, at least the slot, and then we'll just leave this covered overnight just for the hell of it, so I don't get any dirt or anything else in there. Your valves, the rockers, these are your cams that go into the engine, the cam rods. It'll look straight. You got your bottom rocker there, your other rocker up here, the little tabs on the top there. That's actually the spring right there. So that pushes on there. Tap, 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 tap. You can see the spring more there. So those are up, and that one's compressed down. Well, it is what it is. I had to pick out these center seals from there. And then the outside seal. Just so brittle and crusty of rubber that it like cracks on the way out. Pain in the ass. PETA! Right side. Wrestling match for the right side to get this cover off, but let's take a look at what we got. Spring looks good. Seat looks good. Spring looks good. Seat looks good. Get that out of here. You can see like the sludge on the bottom there. That's where that seal was letting it slip through. And then You can see. See the seal is just like flat. It's bumpy there, it's flat. It's got a little break right there too in the seal. Oh well. I don't know about this muffler, dude. You got that big crack there. There's a whole section above it right there that's gone. The whole back of it here is all cracked. Just the parts I can see. That hole so eroded on top, I wouldn't even be able to get in there to put putty on it without getting the pipe out of the way or the muffler out of the way. So I'm gonna say I would just buy a new muffler again. I'll cut the fucking pipe out. I'll fucking put a new muffler in there, and that's that. 'Cause that thing's right through the midpoint. You can be able to do shit with that. Your ass out! Your ass out, motherfucker!